This is the one I really like. Mario Brothers Financial Planning Edition. This is amazing. Build one-page financial plan, automate savings, monitor the plan, financial independence. Simple, brilliant, makes the concept clear.
Yeah, that's it. And I think a lot of times people forget the step to automate the savings, right? I can't tell you how powerful automation is in the entire process, like where you don't have to think about it. You just got your $1,000 a month or $500 a month or $50 a month going to buy you a few extra shares of XYZ. The fact that you don't have to think about it takes all the guesswork. You keep buying in good times and bad. Automated savings, it's incredible.
It's the easiest thing to do. You pay yourself first, which means if you try to save after spending your money, it's very hard to save anything because your spending grows into your income. But if you save first, then you can get over that.